Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to see the profit and loss account in your Tally ERP9 software. For the purpose of viewing the profit and loss account, you have to go from gateway of Tally. Under the report menu, you have to select the profit and loss account or just press P from your keyboard. Your profit and loss account for a particular year of your company will be open. Here you can find that particular. Here you can find the amount. Here same particular and amount. This is the debit side of your profit and loss account. This is the credit side of your profit and loss account. Now suppose you want to see the profit and loss account as per a schedule 6 format, then just press schedule 6 from your right hand side or just press alt plus s. Alt plus s, you will find the schedule 6 profit and loss account. This is the schedule 6 statement of profit and loss account. This is our credit side item and this is our debit side item. That is, this is our revenue and this is our expenses. Suppose you want to configure your profit and loss account, just press F12 from your keyboard or select here configure. You will find the configuration window will appear. If you want to see vertical profit and loss account, just press yes and press Ctrl A to save. You will find that my vertical profit and loss account is coming. Suppose I want horizontal profit and loss account, select here no. Suppose I want percentage, then press yes. You just save it. You will find that my percentage here, friends, we remember that on sales there is 100 percentage and everything is compared with the sales. Same for example, if my sale is 100%, then my net profit is 4.19% of my sales value. My direct expense is 2.74% of my sales value. Suppose you want the gross profit. Here you will see that there is no gross profit is appearing. Suppose you want gross profit, just go to F12, select here yes and press Ctrl plus A. Ctrl plus A is a shortcut to save anything in a Tally. You will find that a gross profit figure will appear here and this is my gross profit amount. Now friends, in this way you can analyze your profit and loss account. Suppose you want a columnar profit and loss account, then just press Alt plus C. Alt plus C. I will find my columnar detail. Suppose I am selecting the same company and I am selecting a different year. So you will find that this is my 17-18 profit and loss account, this is my 16-17 profit and loss account, and I can compare both the year figure with this columnar detail. Suppose I want to see the columnar of different company, then just press Alt plus C. Here I am selecting another company and here I have to select my year. You will find that this is profit and loss account of my one company, this is the profit and loss account of another company, and you can compare the profit and loss account of both company with each other. So in this way you can analyze your profit and loss account in your Tally ERP9. Now one another feature is Alt plus N. Suppose I am pressing here Alt plus N, I will find that column detail. Suppose I want to see my quarterly profit and loss account, just press quarterly. You will find that this is the profit and loss account for my first quarter, this is for second quarter, this is for third quarter and this is for fourth quarter. Suppose I am again pressing Alt plus N, it will ask me the another column detail. I am pressing monthly. Here I will find my monthly profit and loss account. This is April, May, June and so on. Suppose I want my profit and loss daily, then just select daily. You will find that this is my profit and loss account for 1st April, 2nd April, 3rd April. So in this way you can find your columnar profit and loss account whether daily, fortnightly, half yearly, monthly, etc. So in this way you can use the profit and loss account feature in your Tally ERP 9. Thank you very much.